So you may have found a few rolls of film, or not in rolls, but strips of film like these. This is film that I actually don't know what's in it. Oh, it's a dog. I actually did scan this. This is what you need to scan some film. A tablet computer or a cell phone. Anything will work. Obviously, your film, a white image, and another camera. Doesn't really matter what camera it is. It could be a phone, a DSLR, anything. So the last thing you will need is an editing software. It could be Snapseed, Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Photoshop. Now that you have everything, now let's talk about how you do this. But first, a word from our sponsor. No one. Step 1 is to take your phone or tablet and put it at its max brightness. And I know your battery will start dying. But step 2 is to get the white image and open it up. And since it's white, it's just going to become like a light. So step 3 is to take your film and put it right on that white image. And make sure you can read the things that's written on the film. So it says Kodak something, I'm not sure, but really important, I forgot to tell you guys, and it's called minimum focusing distance. Minimum focusing distance means how close can your camera focus onto something. So just make sure that you don't get too close, or else your image is gonna be blurry. And you think I should do one of those YouTube things where you click and then you're in a totally different thing like this. And this is what happens when you fall out of focus. So let's just start editing this photo. And now I'll tell you why we need to edit this photo. Is because these photos are negatives. These aren't positive photos. So if you do one of those YouTube magic stuff and do this is how your film would look if you don't edit the photo. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is crop the photo into the dimensions that you want it in. So like this. Now you've cropped in your photo, open the curves and then just start pulling the right one down and then the left one up. This should just reverse the photographs. This is the photograph that we scanned. This is not the best way to scan film. The professional way of scanning film is using a flatbed scanner. But those can range from use $20 ones to brand new $25,500 scanners. If you like this video, please hit that button. If you didn't like it, then please hit that button. Get subscribed and please, I don't know what to say. I will be leaving links in the video description about other scanning options.